So I'm having an issue. I have a bunch of these. I don't know if you have the same problem, where the clip, these are so worn, doesn't go up anymore. There's no more spring to it. This one's got a little bit left, but it's not there anymore. So when you plug in the Ethernet cable, nothing. So I purchased these things. I never even knew they existed. I just looked online how to repair these, and this came up, which is great. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this, break it off. Now it doesn't have any. So it's a pack of 50. Order them on Amazon. So these are them. See, you get a close-up shot of these things. Much more springy clip for your Ethernet connection. I'm an Ethernet guy still. I only use the Wi-Fi on devices that don't have Ethernet connections, but my computers all run on Ethernet directly to the modem of the my service provider. So this is it right here, and let's see. I'm assuming it's going to take the place. That's pretty cool. So this is the whole design behind it. I wish I would have thought of this. I didn't even know this existed. Okay. Clips on top, from the top. And there it goes. Clips right on. Oh, perfect. Right here. Yep, right there. So it clips on. Wow, that was pretty easy. And it'll clip on. So this one is just hanging off. I actually wire tied other cables to have a clip on. And it clipped very well. It's not broken, to hold this in. So I'm going to replace this just to make sure I'm still getting connectivity and that there's no blockage or any stopping of data getting through. So now that it's unclipped, this should just slide right off. See? So that's the live one that the original. And it bumps up against it. It gets even underneath. It has like a little slot. What a great idea. See that? Okay, I have green lights. It's connectivity. Let's try it on the PC. Okay, I have connectivity. Speed test is showing connectivity. It's the download. No issues whatsoever. And the next will be the upload. If you're wondering, this is Fios Fiber. 1 gig up and 1 gig down. Awesome ISP. All right. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you.